Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafa Tahir and I'm back with another video. So this video is about overflow issues in the container and as well as the text field. So we are going to look for the fix for these two. First we will see for the container ones. Okay, so in the right under the scaffold's body, I'm having a column which has two rows. One row we are having two containers with the same height and width, and after that I'm having a sized box with height of 40, and then comes the other row which is having a text. This is the text and some basic styling for the text. So when you are surrounded with this kind of error where you have the same height and width, there are two fixes for that. One is that I should apply expanded on the widget that's been overflowed, and if I hot reload, as you can see the error has been fixed. But a more improved and the recommended solution is, first I should undo this, and instead of applying expanded on a single widget, I can wrap this raw with a fitted box. Fitted box requires a fit property, but if you don't pass it, that's optional. Under the fit property, these are the properties: cover, none, contain. So cover is the recommended option, and if I cover this and if I hot reload now, you can see the much more improved solution. We are having the perfect height and width of the two containers, but on the expanded one it was only adjusting the second container to the screen width. We are done with the first fix. Now for the text, there are also two options available. First is the same, expanded, apply expanded, and the content has been fixed. And second way is to have a flexible widget. If I wrap this, I'm getting the same result. So here guys, we are done with the fixes and I will wrap this video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, share this video within your community, and subscribe this channel if you like my content. And be safe and take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.